Okay. First category is reversal stocks. So what you're gonna do is you are gonna make three categories, and three categories will be full of 20 stocks. So 20, 20, 20, you'll have 60 stocks. Okay. The second category is correction stocks. Okay. The third category is breakout stocks. The first category means the first type of graph which I have sent you. You know which one is the first one, right? The photo with only one stock, one graph. So that is the first category. It is reversal stocks. Trendy stocks. Okay, that is the first category. So you use that stock for reversal, all those stocks. Second category is correction stocks. 20 stocks will be there again. You have to select all the stocks which goes in that way, which behaves in that way. Step by step will you go. Clear? Is it clear? The third category is breakout stocks. So breakout stocks, what happens is the stock goes flat, then it suddenly rises. Is it clear? In this, the third category is not that important, but then I just told you. Okay. So what you have? So let's come to the process again. Yeah, flat from 9:15. Yeah. So let's come back to the process again. What you should do? Okay.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
out of uh,
My chat box is not working. I have a doubt.
yeah, sure, ask me.
Yes. In the third category, breakout stocks.
Yeah.
So breakout is maybe a resistance or a support line.
Yeah,
If it
yeah,
is flat for a
yeah.
couple of hours, if it's flat, and suddenly it breaks that line.
Yeah. What happens is, for any stock which is flat, you can't call it completely flat. It will still be oscillating in a specific resistance and support value, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So it will be still, and it will be like really small oscillating values, like 0.5 or 1% maximum. Not 1%, 0.5%. It will be going oscillating in between that values. So once it
Okay.
breaks, so once that oscillation happens for a cycle or two, one cycle is this, and the other cycle is this. So once it happens for two cycles, you can mark the resistance values as well as the support values. Okay.
Yeah.
So once you
Okay.
know the resistance values and support values, and once it breaks off, okay, resistance value and support value, then you can choose that stock. And please remind me to take a session on resistance and support. Thanks
Okay.
for asking this question. So So there will be a session on resistance and supports. I'll try to arrange it as soon as possible. And really fast so that you can start reading and keep the same sessions again, whichever is required again and again. So you can turn off your mic on. Yes, Zeal, I'll tell you what happened with Zeal. Don't worry, I'll tell you. So is it clear? The third category is not that great category, but then you can just keep it. Why to keep it and all, I'll tell you.
Okay, sir. Clear.
Yeah. So let's come back to the process. So you have selected 20 stocks which has a behavior or which behaves in the first category or like which is seen in the first category. Is it clear? So in that, in every category, you out of 20 stocks, you have 5 stocks which comes in elite group. Which comes in elite group, which means these 5 stocks are has has gone like has undergone reversal strategy the most number of times. These stocks, so out of those 20 stocks you selected in the first category, you have to make a sub group which has 5 stocks, and those 5 stocks has had the maximum number of reversals. Is it clear? In the second category, correction stocks, 20 stocks, you have to make an elite group of 5 stocks which behaves in the same way. Okay? Am I clear? Maximum number, doesn't matter how many days, maximum number of reversals that has happened with that stock. One reversal will only happen once in a day. What kind of question? Maximum numbers. Clear, right? Is it clear, right? Okay. So you know in category 1 it's reversal stocks, so you have to find stocks which in which happens. Once I find 5 stocks, then it's very easy. Whenever I see any of these stocks which is included in these 5 stocks going up, so I'll be waiting for the reversal. Ashan, what is your point? You, Sahil, it's not a question. You have to do it every single day. Till you are in stock market, you are doing this forever. Is it clear, Sahil? Is it clear to each and every one of you that you are doing this thing for the next how much ever days you are trading? You are gonna do this thing.